How to delete your Darkest Days account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're playing Darkest Days and want to permanently delete your game account, first of all open the Darkest Days game and make sure that you're inside the game. Once you're in, go to the top right corner and tap on the tablet button. Now from the expanded menu, click on the gear button from the bottom. Inside the settings menu that appears on the screen, click on account from the top. Under account, look for the delete account button on the right. To delete your account, click the delete account button and in the pop-up, go ahead and enter the delete text exactly in capital letters and click on OK. After you tap OK, you'll see a timer when the account will be deleted permanently. All the data including owned goods and purchased products will also be permanently deleted in the selected date. You can also cancel your account deletion during the deletion waiting period. That's how you delete your account for Darkest Days. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.